Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So I was doing my monthly predictions and I always before making any video I ask if Sushant wants to connect, and I got a Queen of Wands. So I felt that he wants to connect, and there's a very quick message that he has for you guys. So please listen to this message. So there is Queen of Wands, and the Queen of Wands came with two cards which were Four of Pentacle. And so if you see this is basically this different deck. So you can see the Queen of Wands in a different way, but this is Queen of Wands, and she came with two cards. One was Knight of Pentacle and another was Four of Pentacle. So it feels like there is a message that is coming across, there is a news that is coming across, and we probably will be closed to accept that message or accept that news. And the cards, basically the why he connected suddenly is to tell us to be receptive and be open to kind of get any news that comes to us. We are becoming too possessive, absolutely, and some of us are becoming too closed also to accept certain things in a certain way only. So whatever communication comes our way, we need to accept that communication undoubtedly, and there is something that is coming. So I will just pick up these cards and I'll cut the video here so that I pick up the cards and we start when I start asking the questions. So I'm using these cards only because the Rider-Waite deck is a few cards were there. I was doing the Aries prediction, so I'll start these only. So what is it that you want to tell us, Sushant? Okay, so the cards that I have is it's Wheel of Fortune, it's Moon, and then Two of Cups. So the cards basically are saying, and if you see Wheel of Fortune, it's number 10, and they are saying that something is going to come to light. And now what is going to come to light? One of the things that you see or notice, you can notice on Wheel of Fortune number 10 card, it looks like a gate of something. So there is something definitely that is coming to light, and it feels like this is something which is with close people. There is a connection with close people or people who have been close to him, and there is a connection that is going to come across or going to come into light. And the cards are saying that let go of your fear. The wheel is also turning now, and I think there is something with the moon. I'm sorry about that lighting, that you'll not be able to see the cards very clearly, I just noticed, but yes, I will explain the cards to you. So there is definitely something that is going to come to light, and we need to be receptive for whatever comes across to us. Sushant did say in the last video that something will come out, so probably this is a reminder for that. And in the other message I have is Three of Cups. Three of Cups is usually it's a card of celebration, but it's a card of people coming together also. So I would ask for a clarification for this card, because it's also people or people kind of gossiping or coming together or talking about something. So it is a card like that as well. So I would just ask for clarification. Sushant, can you please clarify what this Three of Cups is about? What is going to happen? Like, is there something that we'll celebrate, or what is it about? So the card that I have is Magician, and along with Magician there is Seven of Cups. So basically these cards are saying that there is something. A magician is like somebody who has all the resources, and it feels like probably these agencies have a lot of proofs by now. They have collected many things that they needed to, and probably we are going to see a face now. A face is kind of going to come out now, and somebody is going to be nailed down, and that is the clarity, or that is something that is going to come, and probably that will be the reason for celebration for some of us, but we need to be open to it. So guys, I've been shuffling for quite a while, asking him questions. Few questions he didn't answer, so I'm going to cut that part. I just asked him if he wants to say anything to us. It was a very quick energy that suddenly came and kind of went away. There was Eight of Cups that came onto the cards, and felt like he just came to say something and then he just moved away. But there are few more things that he did say. So I'm going to cut here and then start the video again where there are answers. So I asked him, a lot of people have been seeing his dreams or seeing him in dreams. Is there a message that he has for all of them? Is there a message for people who are seeing his dreams or seeing him into dreams in different ways? So there is a card of 10 of Wands, and this is basically a card where two things. One, number 10, so definitely we are going towards closing, and he is saying that when things will close, his energy will move away, and that's why he's connecting with certain people. Second, we are too burdened with his thoughts, so a lot of people are continuously thinking about him and worrying about him, and that is why he get into their dreams, just to show them that release the burden. They need not to be burdening questioning themselves with thoughts, with why things are not working out, with getting negative, because things will definitely work out and justice will definitely happen. And another card fell away. It's Seven of Pentacles. It's saying have patience. He wants to tell us that something is coming out. He also is trying to kind of get to help people awaken or develop patience or see the fruits of their hard work or move towards something better, and that's why he comes into the dreams. But yes, having patience is one of the key things that he's trying to tell all of us at this point in time. So the Page of Pentacle card kind of became upside down. So the cards basically are saying that if they keep faith and if they follow what he tells them in their dreams, kind of interpret them in a positive way, it's going to help them undoubtedly. Sushant, anything on NCB? And the card that I got was Page of Swords. Page of Swords, definitely communication. They are working against the wind. They are working against a lot of people. They are working very hard, and there is a possibility that something might come out which is from NCB. So the message that might come out where somebody gets kind of arrested or some message with regards to from NCB. So be open to it, guys, because they are working against the wind. There are communications. It's difficult to kind of take out all the information, and that's why we have to have faith in them. Anything on CBI, Sushant? Anything on CBI that you want to say? So the card kind of came in my hand, and the card that I have is Six of Swords, and this is the card which is saying that things are moving towards the final situation, or the final kind of happening of the final things. Because if you see this card, the boat is very close to the shore, and now from the troubled water the things are going towards calmer water, and there is a female, there is a child, and there is a person in this boat. If you see clearly, there's a female, child, and a person in this boat, and this kind of also shows connections of abroad. So there are multiple things that are going to come out, but they are about to reach. CBI is about to reach the shore. They are doing good work, and they are doing a lot of work. Sushant, anything else that we need to know? Any other message that you have for you? Anything else that we need to know, especially a message for people? So the cards that I got, and they kind of came out in my hand, so I'm going to take them. The cards are Three of Swords, and then it is Six of Cups, and basically this is saying that a lot of people are pretending to be his friends, a lot of people are pretending to be his well-wishers, and they're trying to kind of tell you that they are getting the things out. Not all of them are the well-wishers or the people who are actually trying to help him. So don't fall for these people. Any other message, Sushant? I have a feeling that Sushant just came to give that message, and his energy is gone. So I just took out a unicorn card in the end, and I think that's a clear message what he wanted to say. To just watch that, and I'm going to cut everything then. So I was just doing the shuffling. So let's ask, what is the message? What is, if we get in the message in one line that Sushant was saying? So the card that I have is basically Birth card. It says be receptive to the new idea, child, or situation. So for sure there is a new situation that is going to emerge, and whatever this new situation is, we need to be receptive to that. And guys, please be receptive to whatever comes out. I think that's what Sushant suddenly came to just tell. Be receptive to whatever is coming out. It is very important. Just be receptive. Okay, all the best. Thank you.